We're just putting these birds in for the first time, so it's not gross in here or anything.
So amazing, they could just go through there.
Yep, and then down here is the pop hole into their barn.
Wow!
They've got this nice big area here.
Wow! But Mom, how am I gonna check for eggs? Oh, I don't even have to go into the muck to check for eggs, right?
Right.
I don't have to go into that door.
There's no muck. Chicken's coming. Don't forget that the door's open over there.
Yes,
So we've also got chicken wire around this so they can't get under there. That was part of the whole plan here.
Mommy likes it, I like it. It's like, what?
Mr. Rooster. We gave him some grain over here. So here's what the chicken barn's looking like. We have this loose setup here on this post right there. And then over here we've got the nesting boxes. How many do we have here? 4. On the ground, so hopefully they like that.
A chicken is coming in again. Chicken is.
Oh, really? Just putting out some nice clean shavings. So far they keep going back to their old pen, so. Alright. Bye-bye. So we are about to take a look at Dahlia's kits. They're 2 weeks old to the day. We have them out in the greenhouse. For now, it is end of April, so the temperatures are not getting too hot in here. And we have also got a tarp so that it keeps the direct sun off of her. Okay, here we have, coming out of the nest, kit number 1. This one is a gray with a dark face, right? Is this the darker one?
I don't think so.
So their eyes are opening. This one's eyes are open. They might all be open by now, so we'll see. Alright, she looks good. Next one. Okay, here's the other gray one. This one seems to have a lighter colored face, especially, and maybe body. So how does she look? Oh,
Adorable.
are her eyes open? This one's eyes are not quite open, no. So this is day 14. So we are going to be putting Dahlia and her babies into a new pen, which is pretty exciting. Because obviously this pen is just too small for 4 additional growing bunnies, and bunnies do grow quickly. So they've been in here for 2 weeks, and within a few days, or maybe even a day or 2, I'm not sure, they'll probably be coming out of the nesting box and wanting to explore. And last, but certainly not least, we have the white one.
This one's the biggest.
This is the biggest one.
These are fluffy.
He's got a little gray on the ears though. And his eyes opened a couple of days ago.
He looks kind of brown right here.
Right, he's got like a little bit of color, like gray color. He's sweet. Scratching himself.
Dahlia's way over on the other side of the greenhouse.
Oh, okay. We gotta get the bunny back in her pen. Because we've got seeds planted in here. Dahlia, she's like, take me to my new pen. You want to bring her to the outside pen?
Sure.
We're letting her go in the pen. Sure. Dahlia. Dahlia. So here we have the proud parents of the kits. This is Charlie. That's Dahlia. They're out in their pens getting a little fresh air and hopping around a bit. And then in the background here, this is the new bunny hutch for Dahlia and the bunnies. It's not 100% ready, but it should be ready pretty soon.